Oh, look at this. The guy who said his new stuck is the first one on shoveling. How does this work?
Not sure.
Huh. I'd say it, but you know the answer, so I won't say it.
You see that?
You almost caused an avalanche, Shawnee.
Almost.
That scare you?
No. Not till you guys let me know.